Now we're gonna do the plastics on the bike. So what I need to do is remove, you know, as I did here, the headlight, a windshield and stuff like that. See the damages. So here someone put the glue, remove that. We are missing this hole for this screw here. It's broken. Here probably the you know, brake fluid ran out and damaged this paint. Here, you know, broken, as you see. So we need to repair the plastic. First, we need to take care of that part and clean everything good from the, you know, all the gunk that come here through the years. Then we will wash everything, and then we will put the plastic primer, and then we will do the matte black inside and metallic black outside. We have damages like this that need to put some putty here and brush it and make it presentable, and then make that stripes. I don't want to see this, so I will paint everything from the inside in the matte black, metallic black over. So yeah, now we have a lot of cleaning, a lot of detailing. I'm not a big fan of that, but somehow, you know, this color and this state of the plastics, you see these small damages. Even if I want to sell it, it will lower the price, and if I want to keep it, I don't want to look at that, so we'll try to make it mint. Let's see if we're gonna succeed. Okay, so let's remove the chrome lights here.
Pogled preko ramena, niko ne zna kako izgleda, kreće se I zaustavlja, udara I duša.
You see how is this made from the good quality, flexible plastic, and then this was made by, you know, very shitty, very shitty plastic. Where we need to erase this Charm logo here. don't want that someone sees what bike is it.
U nedogled se pruža ne prestaje. Jedan minut traje danima. Baci pogled preko ramena. Niko ne zna kako izgleda. Kreće se i zaustavlja. Ah, kakva divna muzika. Udara i dugo odzvanja. Udara i dugo odzvanja. U nedogled, 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 u
Okay, this is our final result. So they are more or less clean. I said more or less, it doesn't matter because now we need to go and make it dull like this. So this shiny bit needs to be dull like this. Something that I already done here, although this sketch pad is a little bit too rough, but yeah, we need to lose parts like this, to have this dull surfaces, every crack, every hole to go with the sandpaper or scratch pad. I'll see what is best for that. So we have prepared surface for putting on the plastic primer. So I will go with plastic primer first to even add, chances that paint will stick, because paint will always stick on the part that you are spraying, but it's always question how long and will it keep easily, and I like to avoid that. That's because I will do this preparation and then plastic primer and then paint. And before that we will paint first inside with matte black. So because I don't want to see things like this, yeah. And we will, let's see how we are doing. Okay, let's do it. you know, when they talking about first coat, this should be the first coat. So you just give that enough color to start, and then you will put another 2 or 3 coats to cover it. So when you are finished with the second coat, you will get some spaces where the job is almost done, but then you will get spaces like this. So third coat will fix it, maybe one more just to, you know, even everything. So let's do it. Okay. And this is the end result. I already started to put putty on the other side, so that's why these white spots, but you know, our plastics from behind look way better than they were. Have bits here and there. For example, here we are missing just a bit. So yeah, and then we'll turn them around and start, you know, preparing for painting. You cannot tell me this doesn't look great. We did the fender, so everything look really, really nice. That's all, guys. See you.